In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the SHEIN website on your computer to function like an app. This will make it so much easier to access your favorite fashions without dealing with the extra steps of opening your browser and typing in the website every time. So, grab your computer and let's dive in. First things first, make sure you're using a Chrome browser. The features we'll be using are best supported here and it will ensure a smooth and seamless experience. If you're not using Chrome, go ahead and download it and set it up before proceeding. Now that you're all set with Chrome, head over to the SHEIN website. Type shein.com into the address bar and press enter. The website should load up with its trendy and vibrant fashion looks right there for you to browse. It's already looking great, isn't it? But hold on, we're going to make this even better. Take a look up at the top right corner of your Chrome browser. You'll see a vertical stack of 3 small dots. This is the menu button, where many of Chrome's nifty features are tucked away. Go ahead and click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Scanning through the options, you're going to spot one labeled Install SHEIN. This option allows you to seamlessly integrate the website as an app on your computer. This is going to provide you with a desktop app-like experience where it operates independently of your browser window. So give that option a click. As soon as you do, watch the magic happen. The SHEIN website will transform into its very own standalone window, looking just like an app that you might have downloaded from an app store. This is great for those who love the convenience of desktop apps but prefer their fashion browsing to be just a click away. By now, the SHEIN site should be nestled comfortably on your taskbar or desktop depending on your settings, ready for whenever fashion inspiration strikes. And just like that, you have instant access without the need to get tangled up in multiple tabs or browser windows. Whenever you want to shop, just click on the SHEIN icon and it will open up promptly, providing you with quick and easy access to all the latest styles. It's one of those small changes that can make your shopping experience just that much more enjoyable. And there you have it. With only a few clicks, you've made your online shopping life a whole lot easier. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it will save you time and effort in the future. Enjoy discovering the latest trends and happy shopping!